Hello everybody, LucyBunny99, aka Elizabeth Dawson here. Welcome back for more videos of video games lesson. How you guys been doing? Well everybody, tomorrow is a Halloween, so hopefully you guys will enjoy your day tomorrow and stuff. So before we get started with this lesson, we had two things on Chase Ord. Please visit I go to the young lady first. She asked me to bring the character from the movie back to the Disney theme parks. That is it right here. Please support this young lady here. After she's start with that, what she said. So, yeah. I'll be honest, I feel sorry for what she said. But not to worry. Please, so support this young lady. Don't forget to take the next step. There are two choice detail right here I talk about. So, if you guys are a fan of the character in the movie, everything else, please sign up for today on Chase Sword. And we tell other people if they are a fan of it too. And also, if you guys are a fan of Mountain Wide, I'm a fan of White myself. Please sign this for today, every day, please. And show your support, and with this, you know that we want to keep that what it is. Please sign for today, every day. Don't forget to take the next step. There are two choices right here. Remember, if you guys are a fan of it, every day on there, please do so. Alright, back into the video game lesson. Besides, we're almost done with this, so yeah. Remember, all these videos in this lesson are spoiler word ahead. Please start putting all your favorite video games and everything else first before watch this video. Take your time. Remember, look it up on the name of the game console. If I go fast, you have to look it up for yourself though. And one last thing, don't forget to keep the eye on the name of the game and the date when it came out by the different type of game console. So, without wasting time, let's get going. I'll be honest with myself, I really want to done with this lesson as soon as possible. I know. We just started like any lesson though. But I want to get it done. Just holding at this moment. let's stop by here. See you in another video. Bye.